Hello. You have your food now or you are not eating? Oh, you look at your food. What happened to you? You want a biscuit? What happened? Why you are not moving? What happened to you? Why you are not moving? You already have your food. See? Hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? Hi. How are you? Why you are not moving? Are you sleeping? Oh, you are not in your mood. Okay. Oh, at last. You move now. You have your friend. I'm Duck. I'm Duckling. Hello. Oh. Where are you going?